So yung file organization is a methodology. So it's not a method, it's a methodology. Pag sinabing methodology, it's the study of methods. Okay? It is a methodology applied to structured computer files, files that will contain computer records which can be document or information stored in a certain way for later retrieval. Okay? So file organization refers primarily to the logical arrangement of data in a file system. Okay? So ano tayo, italicized logical arrangement of data. Okay? Pag sinabi natin logical arrangement of data, it means that the data or the data in the file system may be arranged in some way or in some other way, but are stored in a different way. Okay? So, hindi automatic na kung paano nakastore sa secondary storage, ganun din ang arrangement ng data. Okay? So, sabi nga dito, it should not be confused with the physical storage of the file in some types of storage media. Okay? So, we're always referring to the logical arrangement. Now, there are certain basic types of computer file. This can include file stored as a block, okay, block of data, or pwede namang streams of data. Familiar with the streams of data? Anong difference kaya ng block of data at streams of data? Nag-ano kayo, 'di ba? Nag-file handling na kayo sa C, and then in Java you should be familiar with blocks and streams. So, what are the difference between a block of data and streams of data? Yung idea, no? So kapag block of data, ibig sabihin by chunk ang kuha, by block, no? So sabi nga ni Regina, may fixed size. Pag sinabi nating stream, so sabi niya dito bit by bit, so may iba bit by bit, may iba naman per character, no? So kaya nga tinawag na stream, okay? So yung file, when we read information or data in files, dalawang paraan yung pwede ninyong gamitin. Okay? So you can use by block or you can use by stream.